Are you tired of searching for the most accurate buy-sell indicator strategy that can consistently make you $100 a day? Not employing the outstanding indicator-backed strategy we're about to unveil today will place you in a disadvantaged position. Moreover, we will verify the strategy's robust profitability by subjecting it to 100 backtests using top-tier software from Trader Edge. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, known as QuantAlgo. This algo tells you when to buy and when to sell, giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Immediately, we will initiate the process of constructing the strategy methodically by adding all the needed indicators and deliberating on trading rules and critical exceptions. Also, make sure to watch the video patiently to discover the indicators' names as well as our secret settings for them to take highly accurate trades like those shown on the chart. The first indicator is used best for identifying trending markets, helping guide you to stay in a trade a bit longer or wait a bit longer before entering at the beginning of a potential trend. It was built using different MA parameters and then run through the Heikin-Ashi candle formula to create a new hybrid candle on the chart. As for now, in the settings menu, you should modify the length open to 28, change the length close to 21, and establish the MA line length at 50. So, in the case of a long trade, the Hama candle ought to be green, and the MA line should also be colored green. Alternatively, the Hama candle should exhibit a red color in a bear case, alongside the MA line also appearing red. In an ideal case, the Hama candle should be above the green MA line in a bullish scenario and must be located below the red MA line in a bearish scenario. So, to add this exact indicator, open the Indicators section, type Hama candles, and select that option. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. As for now, let's proceed to our second indicator, which serves as a signal component. This indicator serves as a dynamic tool, blending the principles of momentum and moving averages to overlay the market price and produce potential trade signals. The initial concept for this indicator is credited to the renowned and highly regarded trading indicator expert, Mladen Rakic. Before we move on to discuss the trading rules, open the settings menu, set the average period at 25, and change the multiplier to 1.6. With that being said, we should wait for the smoother momentum baseline to transition into a green color, signaling an opportunity for a long trade, and concurrently, the indicator should display a yellow triangle. Moreover, the signal candle should appear above the green MA line in a bullish case. Conversely, for a short trade signal, the indicator baseline should shift to red, accompanied by the appearance of a pink triangle. Also, the signal candle should occur below the red MA line. In both cases, we disregard any signals that appear on large momentum candles. At this point, go to the indicators window, type smoother momentum stops, and opt for this precise indicator. The indicator configuration is now finished, allowing us to proceed to the final volume back confirmation indicator. By the way, to backtest today's strategy, we will utilize software from Trader Edge, since it is one of the most efficient backtesting tools available on the market. Thousands of traders are using Trader Edge to get an edge on their competition. This intuitive and easy-to-use backtester gets up to 3 times faster results than using classic spreadsheets. Also, Pandel Calendar and Trade Journal enables you to track your trades and identify what's working and what's not. Finally, the Indicators and Strats tab shows you the most profitable indicators and strategies that can be implemented in your trading. In addition, you will receive a full step-by-step backtesting guide, a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy, and 4 pre-made high-quality strategies, worth over $470 for free. Trader Edge has a 7-day free trial, so there's absolutely no risk. Click the link in the description below. In the last step, we decided to use volume confirmation to filter out the majority of false signals during the consolidation phase or irrelevant corrections. This indicator serves as an experimental tool delving into fundamental concepts like volume price analysis and Wyckoff's effort versus result principle by examining the relationship between relative volume and the corresponding price action for each candle. Now, access the settings and adjust the first length parameter to 12, the second one to 25, and configure the signal length to 6. To validate the previously discussed trading criteria, in a bullish scenario, the volume bar should be green and exceed the 75 level, while in a bearish situation, the volume bar should be red and surpass the 75 threshold. As for now, go to the Indicators tab, type red K Everix, and click on the following indicator. Meanwhile, let's review comprehensive real-time examples before moving on to the process of backtesting this trading system. Here's gold, a 5-minute time frame. As can be seen, we receive a buy signal here as the smoother momentum mainline becomes green and a yellow triangle arises, with the candle being above the MA line. Next, the HAMA candle is colored green and the MA line also has a green color. Finally, we note a green volume bar exceeding the 75 level. We place a stop just beneath the recent low and establish a take profit point with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1.5 to 1. Voila! Take profit was successfully achieved. Here's pound yen, a 5-minute time frame. So, the smoother momentum mainline displays a pink triangle, giving a sell signal. Moving on, the HAMA candle exhibits a red color, and the MA line is similarly red. Lastly, we can notice a volume bar that's red and situated above the 75 level. We position a stop above the recent high and aim for the same RR ratio. Bingo! Our target was reached. Now, we will conduct 100 backtests of this amazing trading system on the euro-dollar pair utilizing a 5-minute time frame and evaluate the findings. After 100 trades, the strategy showcased an incredibly high win rate of 74%. Moving forward, we can see that the account growth has surged to around 2,480%. In the hypothetical scenario of starting with a $1,000 balance, this strategy would yield a net equity gain of about $24,803 throughout 100 trades. Moreover, we caught these 100 setups in roughly 1.5 months. Before we continue, we want to share with you our top private indicator, QuantAlgo, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access QuantAlgo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this, algo will put you at a disadvantage. Meanwhile, the strategy's substantial profitability serves as further confirmation of its strong profit factor metric, which stands at 4.27. Let's also direct our attention to risk-related data. So, the win-loss ratio stands at an exceptional value of 5, courtesy of a sequence of 10 consecutive winning trades as opposed to just 2 consecutive losses. The losses incurred resulted in a max drawdown of just 7.84%, signifying a relatively modest level of risk exposure. Continuing forward and incorporating this system into our spreadsheet, we observe that its win rate and account growth metrics appear quite robust when compared to others. So, if you're enjoying the video, leave a like on it and subscribe to our channel as it always motivates us to release more new content more often. Thanks for your time and I'll see you in the next video.